Okay, welcome back. We are now going to make the drawings for your parts. If you'll notice down here below, I have a few parts made. I need to make a new drawing file, so I'm going to go down here to hit this plus to insert a new element. I'm going to create a drawing this time. And we can go with the defaults. They'll work out just fine. You can click OK. Don't worry, this says no views. You're going to drop them in. Takes a minute to load here. And you're going to see something like this on your screen. What we will do next is select assemblies. And I'm going to click this one that I'm going to do the drawing for. And I want to bring it in so that it lives in this area, but it's above the title block. So the bottom of it can't be below the title block. We'll click once here to drop it. It takes a minute to render your initial drawing. That's our front view. Now we want to make the other views. We'll come up here to click on projected view. What do we want to project? The front view. And straight up from this, we'll click. We'll do the same process for the right side. And one more time for the isometric view. Now, for only the isometric view, we're going to right click. Oh, sorry, I have to hit escape. See how this tool is lit up? We have to turn that off so I can click it or I can hit escape. I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to do show shaded view. And the last thing I have to do is put some dimensions on here. We're going to try to put as many dimensions as we can on this view because the front view. I will do this. And try to snap these so they lock into the middle. They look nicer that way. And then I'm also going to do this one. If we bring them over, it looks nice and symmetrical. So we've got the height taken care of. Now we have to do the width, and we can do the same process here. Now you will notice that I could have selected the endpoints and done the whole thing, but you wouldn't necessarily know that each of these is 0.75. They could be 0.748. But this is showing that they are all definitely the size they're supposed to be. And then the only other one we need is the width. You can put it here or here. I guess in this case, I'll just throw it on this one. And then you could put a title and your information in here. So if I hit escape again, because I want to turn this off, or just click it, I will call this blue. Oops. Gonna get rid of these dashed lines. You're naming this for whatever the part you've named it. So blue part 1. And let's see, I'll just check this one up here. And I'll put LaPointe Puzzle Cube. Put your own name in here, not mine. And then we'll just get rid of these ones because they're not being used for anything. Good, so we got your name, Puzzle Cube, what the name of the part is. We've got it living here on the page, and we have this one shaded. You'll repeat that process for each of the parts. And that's it. Keep up the good work.